Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Ferrero collection, maybe the best chocolate in the world. Now, I already made a video about this on my channel, but I didn't give them a proper review. It was just unboxing video. And it's funny because it's actually one of my most popular videos of all time. And I found out the reason why. Apparently these boxes are too hard to open. So let me show you how to open this properly now. So people struggling like, how does it open? How does it open? Well, it's simple, look. There's this thing here. Tape around it, you see? You unbox it, removing the tape first. Like this. Tape gone, boom. I'm gonna be picked up later. Don't leave there first. And now the lid just comes right off. Will you marry me? Yeah, apparently doing unboxing of this gives you how many views now? 200,000? I don't even know. But anyway, they have 3 different flavors of chocolate. Ferrero Rocher, the most popular one. That's why they have so many of them. Then they have this dark chocolate version. Rondnoir is called. And then Raffaello. I think this Raffaello is like some coconut candy. But anyway, let's go ahead and start with the Ferrero Rocher in a nice cover. Look at the cover. I mean, this is just beautiful. Golden foil and even a small paper here like this. And then you open it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, they have the white thing on cover. That's not normal. That's because this chocolate was about to expire. Yeah, it's expiring this month. So it's normal for chocolate to have like this. So anyway, let's go ahead and taste Ferrero Rocher. Peanut butter. Look, crunchy peanut butter inside. Wow. Kind of reminds you of Kinder Bueno, but it's made by the same company, the Ferrero Rocher company. So no wonder. This Ferrero Rocher, 10 out of 10. This is the best one of them all. But then we have the interesting one. I haven't tasted it so often, but Rondnoir. It's called Rondnoir. So I think this is some kind of dark chocolate. Well, we're gonna find out. Let's see. Ooh, look. They have like this sprinkles around it. Interesting. Let's go ahead and give it a bite. I forget it tastes like this. Look, some cream inside. Wait, there's another dark chocolate ball inside. So, how many layers of chocolate? First, the cover, the top I mean, then the cover, then we have the crunchy in between, wafer, then we have this peanut butter or something, and then dark chocolate ball inside, so it's 5 layers. Really great. Oh, police! Police is coming! Shit, man, look! What's happening over there? Can you see? Oh my god. This review is too hot. They trying to catch me. I have to finish this fast, okay? The police are coming. The last piece. Oh, I'm waiting for this. I remember this was way worse, but now that I taste it again, I'm glad I tasted it because this one is really good. 8.5 out of 10. No. 9 out of 10. Really good chocolate. Now we have Raffaello. Ooh, Raffaello. Let's see how Raffaello tastes like. So, yeah, some kind of flakes on top, and they're making a lot of mess. So be careful, mess coming. Refreshing. they have this cream inside. Coconut cream inside. That's great. Wow. If you're a fan of coconut, this Raffaello, highly recommend it. Like if you like Bounty or the other coconut treats, definitely try this one. This kind of like personal question, like I would say it's a solid, again, 9 out of 10 candy for me, but for some other people who don't like coconut, it can be like 7 out of 10 or maybe even 6 out of 10. Yeah. For me, again, 9 out of 10. I think coconut is good. Coconut makes everything better. Let's take one more Ferrero Rocher, and then we conclude this review. Look, real peanut inside also. Yup. This is 10 out of 10 chocolate. Forget to show the nutrient values. It's right here. Yep. There's nothing wrong with this product. The only problem is the price, of course. This is like expensive chocolate. Now that I taste this Ferrero Rocher again, I think the Raffaello, we have to put points up to 9.5 out of 10. Okay. Raffaello was really good. Maybe they have more sugar, I don't know. Yeah, Ferrero collection, great chocolate. Give this as a gift to your friends or your family or your partner, and yeah, they will like it. They will like you, they will like this chocolate, and they will be happy. Yeah, overall, this product 9.5 out of 10. I guess what they could improve, if you think about modern day standards, remove this plastic and put it in a cardboard, because that's what all the companies does now. I'm sure they will come next soon with that as well. Everything must be cardboard, no more plastic. That's what they say. Yeah, 9.5 out of 10 for Ferrero collection. Great product, recommended. And yeah, thanks for watching this review. I'll see you guys in next epic consumer goods review. And as always, like the video, subscribe, and enjoy chocolate. Thank you.